The graph shows position as a function of time for two trains running on parallel tracks. Which of the following is true? So first we have both trains have the same velocity at some time before tb, or time b. And that is actually true. So notice that train A has a constant velocity, but at some point, train B must also have that same velocity, since at the beginning, if we look at the tangent to a point on the curve for train B, this tells us that the velocity is greater than the velocity of train A. So the slope of this tangent is greater than the slope of the line representing train A. And then when the two trains meet or come to the same position, we see that train B has a velocity that is less than that of train A. So the slope of the tangent to the curve representing train B is less than the slope of the curve or the line representing train A. So somewhere in the middle, train B must have the same velocity as train A. So, for example, maybe right about here, the slope of this tangent and the slope of the line representing train A are about the same. So there they have the same velocity. So far, this is looking like our best choice as the correct answer for this problem. Next, let's look at the rest of the options just to be sure we don't miss anything. So we have at time tb, both trains have the same velocity. Well, as I already mentioned, the velocity of train B, or the slope of the line tangent to train B's curve at tb, is less than the slope of the line representing train A's motion. So this statement is not true. Next, we have somewhere on the graph, both trains have the same acceleration. As I mentioned at the beginning, train A has a constant velocity, a constant slope, and if the velocity is constant or unchanging, that means that no acceleration is involved. So train A's acceleration is always 0 for this graph, while train B has a negative acceleration. So those will not be the same. Therefore, this statement is untrue. And then we have both trains speed up all the time. And again, that is not true. As I mentioned, train A has a constant velocity, while train B is actually slowing down. So this statement is also not true, meaning that the first statement is actually the best choice for this problem.